Hello guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix chain operation failed because dependent operation failed in the CarX Street. So first method is that you have to just check your internet connection that if it is stable or not, and then try to change the router of your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just turn it to the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. And the second method is that you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds. Doing so, you have to just turn it off and then restore your internet connection. Hopefully your problem will be fixed by doing this method. And the third method is that you have to just tap and hold on your app and then click on the application details. And here click on the storage and the cache, and then click on the clear cache. After doing so, your problem will be fixed. The fourth method is that you have to just restart your device one time. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. And the fifth and the last method is that you have to just uninstall your application. After uninstalling, you have to again install it, but this time you have to just open your Chrome browser or any favorite browser and search here for a website which is named as APK Combo, and then tap to open the first website here. So basically you have to just again install your app from this website. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.